Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. Today in this video of day number 10 Power BI DAX functions, we are going to see an interesting DAX function in Power BI. And if you have watched our channel previously, we have uploaded a series of videos about 25 Excel formulas and then we started with Power BI DAX functions. In that, we have discussed about what are the top 8 functions which we have used in Power BI and then we have completed date and time functions. Now we are continuing this series with information functions. Here we have discussed few videos about contains function, custom data function, lookup value, username, ISBLANK. These are all the previous functions which we have discussed, and today in this particular video we are going to discuss a very interesting function which is called as ISERROR. I request everyone to not to skip this video because this will be a little bit important function which helps you to identify any error value available in your calculation or in your data. Before jumping into this video, if you are watching our channel for first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends who are in need of Power BI functions. Let's start today's session. So here, first, before getting into our video, we just need to understand what is ISERROR. Okay, I'm just creating a column to give a test. Okay, just giving a test, like let's say let's take it as a test column. Okay, this is created. I'm just giving a simple value of 6 divided by 2 and hitting enter. So what this will create in this particular table, I'm going to dataset column and I'm just clicking on this particular thing. See, you can see the value of 3, which is 6 divided by 2 is obviously 3. Okay, so now I'm dividing this value with 0. Let's see what is the value I'm going to get. I'm definitely going to get the value as infinity or an error, right? So what is this particular function, why it is used? Now we can get to know what is an idea of it. This will return the value either it's a true or false. It's a boolean function because we are using is in the beginning. So I'm just giving it as is error, which is equal to is error, and you can see it will says whether the value is an error and returns true if it is error and returns false if it is not, right? Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to check the value of 6 divided by 0, hitting the enter, just hitting enter. You can see it is true. Why? Because of the value which we have given here is infinity, or else now I'm going to change it as 2 and just hitting the enter button. You can see the value is false. So which means it returns the value true if we are getting the calculation is error. If the value is we are getting some values, it will give you the true value. So this is how this is error function works. Hope you have understood this formula clearly. Still you have any questions, please post your queries in the comment box. We will try to give you a full explanation as soon as possible. And also we have given the our blogger page link in description where we have explaining this syntax and the uses of in our own blog page. Please do read that and post your comments in our blog page as well. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in another exciting video. Until then, bye from Gokul Tech. Thank you. Jai Hind.